Hello friends, welcome back after long time. I was on leave for 2-3 days. So today our patient is from Hyderabad. So we are doing, he has chemical burns on his face and all blackness he is having. He is having blackened skin here. You can see this skin is blackened, although his neck is white, and open pores he is having apart from this burnt skin. So because of this chemical burn, he had done CO2 laser in Hyderabad, but no results. So we suggested him to go for a combination treatment, because Hyderabad he cannot come every fortnight or after a month for 4 to 6 times if he goes for single treatment. So because our patients come from long distance, so we have devised combination treatment. In combination treatment we give many treatments in one session only, like a feature new feature car which is having so many features in one car. So similarly our treatment is feature rich treatment, and you need the number of sessions are reduced drastically from 8 sessions to 2 to 3 sessions only. Or results are very promising, very good results are there. We will show his result after 15 or 20 days when he will post us pictures from Hyderabad. So basically what his skin needs rejuvenation, and we need to stop his melanin pigment from his body. So to stop the melanin pigment, there is many methods. Number one, you can stop the melanocyte to produce melanin. Number two, you can change the DNA level melanin production, or you can block the reaction for melanin pigment, that is tyrosine inhibitors are there. Most of the creams in market, over the counter creams, they which reduce the tyrosine in your body. Tyrosine is inhibitor, enzyme inhibitor is there. So these creams work by inhibiting the tyrosine, and some creams inhibit the DNA level of the melanocyte, that they produce less of melanin, and few lasers they segregate the melanocytes. They will separate it out melanocytes and the melanin deposit in your skin. Fresh skin is usually devoid of melanin until unless it is exposed to sun. So we shed the first layer or old layer keratinocytes laden with melanocytes. So the fresh skin which comes, it is red skin or baby skin which is pink in color, and until unless it is exposed to too much of sunlight, just a moment, until unless it is exposed to too much of sunlight, so it doesn't get dark. So we go for this, and all our treatment is focused on new skin formation, number one. Number two, to inhibit the melanin pigment and melanocytes. Number three, to give him a refreshed look, devoid of this, taking care of his open pores and acne scars and dark pigmentation. So we will give combination of treatment. If you have some similar problem of pigmentation, you can come to us. Our pigmentation treatment starts from 2000 onwards. So we have many treatments for this. Many treatments are there. So depending upon your budget, we can figure out which budget suits you, and you can go for that. तो अगर आपको पिगमेंटेशन की कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप हमारे पास आ सकते हैं. हमारा बजट 2000 से शुरू हो जाता है, और नंबर ऑफ़ ट्रीटमेंट होने की वजह से आप उसके मल्टीपल में ले सकते हैं. अगर आप टॉप ऑफ द नॉच कम्बिनेशन ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं तो आपका 10,000 रुपये में प्रोसीजर 6 प्रोसीजर हो जाएंगे. उसमें 2000 से भी कम पड़ जाती है एक प्रोसीजर की कॉस्ट. और अगर आप सिंगल प्रोसीजर लेना चाहें तो 2000 से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आपका क्या बजट है और क्या आपने ट्रीटमेंट लिया है, तो इस हिसाब से पेमेंट लगेगा। तो और मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर श्याम सुंदर गोयल, कायाकल्प लेजर क्लिनिक, बठिंडा रोड, श्री मुक्तसर, पंजाब। मेरा व्हाट्सएप कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है 9256693566, सेकंड नंबर है 8453684636।